In this video, I'm going to show you how to include a recent visitor widget in WordPress. This method works for beginners and experienced site owners, and adding this widget is a great way to understand your audience and improve engagement on your website. Start by going to wordpress.com and clicking the login button at the top right. You'll see different ways to sign in, and using the continue with Google option is the simplest because it uses your existing Google account securely. Choose the Google account connected to your WordPress site so you don't run into login issues. After selecting your account, you'll be signed in and taken to your dashboard. On the right side of the dashboard, you'll see a section with quick links. Click the Edit Site option to enter the editor where you can customize your website. Once the editor loads, look at the top left corner for the Add button. This button allows you to insert new blocks and features into your site. Click it, and when the panel opens, use the search bar to quickly find what you need. Type repeat visitor into the search field. You should see a module with the same name appear. Click it to add the widget to your site. After inserting it, you'll notice you can move the widget around just like any other block. You can place it in your sidebar, footer, or anywhere in your layout that makes sense for your design. Many site owners prefer placing it near the top of the sidebar because it provides instant insight for returning visitors. The widget updates automatically based on visitor activity, so you don't need to adjust anything manually. It simply starts tracking and displaying repeat visits as users return to your content. With this widget installed, you get a clearer picture of how your audience behaves. You can see whether people come back for new posts, product updates, or specific categories. This kind of data helps you understand what content is performing well and what parts of your site might need improvement. Over time, the visitor widget can even help you shape your content strategy, reveal trending pages, and show you which topics are building loyal readers. It's a small feature, but it adds a helpful layer of analytics without requiring you to dig into complex tracking tools. And because it integrates directly into the WordPress interface, everything stays simple, visual, and easy to manage. That's all it takes to add a recent visitor widget and give your site a boost in engagement and insight. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.